Hi there, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. I wanted to just tell you some of my very dearest subscribers and fans that I'm working. I work during tax season as a tax preparer, and my videos are going to be very few and far between. And I just am asking, I guess, for your patience. And then we'll start off with a bang April the 16th. But I wanted to show you, and the only way I can show you is on my phone. I want to show you on my channel some of my older videos and encourage you to go back and check out some of these. I know you haven't seen a lot of them probably, and I have 278 videos for you. And they are a wide variety, from hand quilting to showing you how to quilt on your machine to, I've got one darling doll quilt that if you have grandchildren, that is the sweetest gift in the world you can make. It's got their initial on it in one block. Just precious. I'll try to find that for you. But you can go to my channel, Nickel and Dime Decor, and go to my playlist, and that will help you not have to just search and search through things. You go to the playlist, and maybe a lot of you have not seen the Yellow Brick Road series. That was my very first quilt series on Nickel and Dime Decor. That is my most watched series to this day after 5 years. I have almost 55,000 views on the 6 videos combined. It's my most watched video. And if you've never made the Yellow Brick Road, go back to that playlist and find it. And the first video will give you the start, which is the cutting, and the last video to finishing up the binding. And I go through step by step by step. That's one of my most watched. And surprisingly, the video that I did on yo-yos, I am amazed at how many people have watched that video. The name of it was, What Do I Do With All These Yo-Yos? And I bought them at an estate sale, a box, huge box of yo-yos. And they were organized into likes and put in plastic bags. And it was a gold mine, and I've used so many of them. But you know, after a while, you've just done about all you can with yo-yos. But I've given some of them away to my sewing friends at my sewing club. And I still have quite a few left. Well, just surprisingly, that was it. But I probably have about 12, maybe 14 different quilt videos on my playlist. And they will consist of 5 or 6 videos for each one from start to finish. So I encourage you to do that. I have one like this one. This is on Sashiko Quilting. And I know a lot of you haven't heard of Sashiko, but it's just a form of quilting by hand. But it's big stitches. That's the fastest way in the world. And that's the name of it, Sashiko Stitching or Sashiko Quilting. I hope you can see that. It's just a fun project and a quick way to learn a form of hand quilting. And then I even made a mobile for a baby crib, you know, dangles down, the little flowers and everything. And I have one for that. Let's make a mobile, I don't know what you call it. Anyway, that was a cute project. But I wanted to, the Charm Pack quilt was darling, and it turned out so cute. And and I liked, the very first time I ever introduced my serpentine stitch for quilting, that was a year ago. But it's called My Serpentine Quilting Stitch. And if you get to the playlist and you don't find these, just put in the title like My Serpentine Quilting Stitch, and it will take you to that video. And then here's another one on Yo-Yo Fun. And I made just a little dangling ornament thing out of yo-yos. Raising the Bar lap quilt was a beautiful, that turned out so cute. And that was another one. And I have one on making a quilt label. And Best Kept Secrets to a Perfect Binding. That was a year ago. And I've made 2 t-shirt quilts, if you're interested in that. And let's see. Then I have some just informational, kind of personal videos. The name of this one is Why I Created My YouTube channel. And it's a story about my very first quilting class. And that was 2 years ago. And then the roundabout quilt, oh, I would just encourage you to go look that up. That was for my nephew. If you want a pattern for a man, that is the one that I think it just made the most perfect quilt for my nephew. I mean, he's a grown man, single, and he loved it and he cherishes it. And it's called The Easiest Quilt I Ever Made. And it's roundabout quilt pattern. And then, you remember, well, the ones that watch all the time, I do have some viewers that's been with me all 5 years. The video that I did on the quilt that had 300, I'll never forget it, 383 2-inch squares. And I made a quilt. And that probably is, to me, the most beautiful quilt I've ever made. I made it in blues. I used all scrap material. All scrap material. And I was trying to find a picture of it, but I've got to go back a long ways to find that quilt. I did it in blues and whites and yellows. And oh my stars, that was the prettiest thing. And so I just want to encourage you to look back, please, on my channel and check out all, and mug rugs. I probably have 12 to 14 different videos on mug rugs, if you like to do those. And, well, let's just do this one for example. It's called the Happy Heart mug rug, and it's using applique to do that heart. And there's some more yo-yo fun. And in the playlist is all the videos that have anything to do with yo-yos, if you want to research it that way. The playlist is just a good starting point to find things. Well, that's all I wanted to encourage you to do. And I have videos on sunbonnet Sues, finding You know, so many people have those old blocks, and I show you how to be careful with them and put them together with minimal quilting. You don't want to over quilt a Sunbonnet Sue. The fabric is very, I did one for a lady that her Sunbonnet Sue blocks went back to her grandmother. And you've got to just treat that like gold and not over quilt it. And I have videos on how to quilt them. I do Sunbonnet Sues by hand and very minimal. I just think that's the best way to treat it. So anyway, that's just a quick review on nickel and dime decor. I've been around, like I say, for over 5 years. And there's something for everybody. There is something in there for everybody. And I do cater or aim my videos to beginners, because I want to encourage you to learn the art of quilting and making something with your own 2 hands that you'll be very, very proud of. Very proud. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for being with me. All right.